In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who unsubscribed in Beehiiv. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Understanding who unsubscribed from your newsletter can provide valuable insights into your audience's preferences and help you adjust your content strategy. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to log into your Beehiiv account. If you're like most people, you know how critical maintaining your subscriber base is for your newsletter success. So let's explore the steps to check your unsubscribed users. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard, which is usually the first thing you'll see upon entering Beehiiv. Look towards the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll find various options that allow you to manage your newsletter, subscribers, and overall account settings. Next, click on the Subscribers tab. This section is pivotal because it houses all your subscriber information, including those who've opted to leave. After you click on Subscribers, you should see a neat list of everyone currently receiving your updates. Now, let's focus on the unsubscribed members. On the Subscribers page, you'll notice multiple filters available to tailor your view. Look for the filter option labeled Unsubscribed. Clicking on this will narrow down the list to only those users who have chosen to unsubscribe from your newsletter. At this point, you'll have access to a list of these unsubscribed users. It's essential to browse through this list and take a moment to analyze it. Understanding why people unsubscribe can help you improve the content you're delivering. For instance, if you see a pattern where multiple users from the same demographic are unsubscribing, it could be a signal to reassess the relevance of your content to those demographics. You may also want to click on individual unsubscribed users to view any associated data. This data might show their engagement patterns, such as how often they opened your emails or what links they clicked on most frequently before deciding to leave. This insight can help you understand what aspects of your newsletter resonated with your audience the most and what areas may have fallen short. It's also a good idea to consider sending out a re-engagement survey or an exit survey if you have email addresses for these unsubscribed users. Gently ask them why they decided to unsubscribe and what they'd like to see in future newsletters. This feedback can be incredibly valuable for tailoring your content down the line. After you have gathered this information, take a moment to reflect. What changes can you implement based on what you've learned about your unsubscribes? Perhaps it's an issue with the frequency of emails or the type of content you're sharing. Lastly, remember to monitor your unsubscribe list regularly. By observing trends over time, you can make smarter decisions regarding your content strategy. It's not just about numbers, it's about understanding your audience better and enhancing their experience. So there you have it, a simple yet effective way to see who has unsubscribed from your newsletter on Beehiiv. This process can help you turn feedback into actionable steps that can seriously boost your engagement rates in the future. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with managing subscribers, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Remember to subscribe and like the video if you found this information helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.